No, we're gonna go down to the car right now.
I'm not going nowhere.
We're gonna do this again? What's up?
Get off me! I'm not going nowhere till my kids are picked up. Are you serious?
Stop, officer.
Stop.
You kick him, there'll be another charge.
Chill.
Get off me.
That's it. Kick me again. It's good.
Get off me. Where am I? I need to wait until my kids are picked up. No. Get off me! I want
Stop resisting.
Hey, I want my
Stop
kids
resisting.
First.
If one of us gets hurt in this, it'll be a felony. Do you understand that?
I want to make sure my kids are okay.
Your kids will be fine.
Stop!
That is enough.
Ow, my shoulder! My shoulder! Ow!
Stand up.
You're abusing me.
We're not abusing nothing. No.
My shoulder, though! I'm behind!
You just stand up.
A brick wall.
Stop resisting.
No, I'm not resisting. You're hurting me.
Stand up.
If you would stop for a second! Oh, let me go by myself!
Okay, so I'm the apartment manager here.
Okay.
And I have a tenant over there. Her name's Natasha. And she started texting me about an hour ago, just sending me stuff about the apartment. We're a piece of shit here. She's tired of the shitty apartments, on and on and on.
Okay.
I come outside. She came outside. She got in my face. She pushed me in the back. I'm not dealing with that. Like,
Okay.
First of all, I want to file a report on that.
Right.
So
Well,
she's out here screaming to all the neighbors.
Mm-hmm.
She's drunk. Okay?
Okay.
She has 2 kids up there. She's not answering the door.
She's upstairs.
She said she's not
over
going to
there.
answer the door when you got here. Yeah. Yeah, upstairs.
Can I just see what you got there?
Yeah, do you want to read them?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
So did you guys up the rent from $625 to $650, or what's?
Well,
what's
she pays $600, and the guys just decided to raise it $625 in July.
Okay.
They've never really had a raise in them, and so she's obviously mad about that through the whole text.
Can you forward this all these messages?
Yeah. I mean, the owners are going to contact their lawyer because her threatening lawsuit and this and that.
Okay. Did you guys say, hey, do you want to meet outside or anything, or just both of you just happened by chance to be
I
out?
just walked outside,
Okay.
and she came down the stairs, and then it was on.
Okay, let me. I think he might be out talking to her out the front there. So let me go see if he's making any headway. I'll be back here in a moment.
I'm sorry, I'm drunk. She intimidated me by coming down at the steps and telling me to bring it, and I just really blacked out. Like, I don't really know what happened.
Okay, I'll tell you what.
I mean, I don't even know where to start. Like, what?
Well, at the beginning.
Over the washer or the dryer not drying my clothes?
If that's what it was over,
That's
yeah.
what it was over.
Okay, so put that in
I
writing here if you want to.
Apartments, you raise the rent to $625, and I can't even dry one load of towels and they'd be dry.
I'll tell you what, if you don't mind doing me
I just said, you're the manager of these apartments. We need new washer and dryers. And she said they're taking them out, go to the laundromat.
Hey, Natasha, I don't want to smell like smoke all
I'm
night,
so sorry.
I'm going to explain this to you real quick,
I'm so
and
sorry.
then I'll have you fill it out. You just print your name here.
I don't even want to do this. I don't. She can write her statement. I can be charged with what I'm charged with. I'll do my duty, and I mean,
Okay.
I've been through it. See, she needs to stay away from my apartment. She needs to stay away from my apartment.
She's not at your apartment, Natasha.
Well, no, she was about, I don't know. My kids are up there.
Okay,
My kid-
just hang out. Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Just head back over here. If you don't want to fill one out, you don't have to. They're
Alright.
voluntary. I'm not going to make you fill one out.
Care. If I get charged, I get charged. It's a little petty, whatever she thinks it was. So.
Okay. 616, you see
So
this?
I want to let you know that they're threatening to destroy my bike. That's right here.
Oh, come back out. I can't hear.
So if something happens to my bike, they're responsible.
Okay.
Y'all want to play games and pick sides, but I was standing
When
up
you
with
say y'all, what do you mean?
you
What side have I picked?
because you're sitting over here siding with people that are out here threatening me.
What are you talking about?
They just started threatening me out here. Are you serious?
I've
That's
told
too-
you to
that's
go
what-
inside about 25
Well,
different
guess
times,
what?
ma'am.
But guess what? I pay my rent just like they do. I was smoking a cigarette. They came outside and
You're
she
right,
goes,
you were smoking a cigarette. I asked you if you would finish smoking your
But I
cigarette
was
and go
talking
inside.
to my
It would
neighbor. I'm allowed to
alleviate a
talk-
lot of the issues.
No, it would have abbreviated if they would have went inside and not worried about what I was talking to
If
my
both of you
neighbor.
guys did.
But I was finishing my cigarette when
So
they were
you're telling me I'm taking sides. I'm not taking sides with
He just
anybody.
said something about destroying my bike that's sitting out here. He literally, when he walked around the corner, he just said, watch your bike is going to be destroyed.
Okay.
So I said, okay, bet, I'll come talk to you.
Everybody's going to end up going to jail tonight real quick.
Okay, I'm not going to jail.
Okay.
I'll
Go
go
take care of the
in my
bike.
house.
Take care of the bike. Just move the bike and we'll get out of here.
It's a 400-pound bike. I will try.
Okay.
I moved it here already. Like, I have a hematoma in my stomach right now. I'll move it.
Okay.
But Kim gave me permission to park it there. She told me she wanted to park there instead of right here.
Okay.
They didn't even ask me to move it, and honestly, I'm just saying.
You know what, Natasha? Don't move it.
Okay,
Don't move
I
it.
don't know what
Leave
to
it
do.
there.
It's
And then
400 pounds.
if it gets damaged, then give us a call and we'll do a
Okay,
report
I
for
will.
you.
I'm just saying it's
Okay.
400 pounds.
Okay. We're not going to sit here and argue about it
it
anymore.
I don't want to argue
Okay.
with you guys. I
Have a
don't
great
have problems.
night.
I already have. I'm 37 years.
Go.
I've already had enough problems with you guys in my life.
Right. None of them are going to be able to keep their mouth shut tonight. I guarantee you we'll be back. What's going on now?
So we were.
Everybody was in the
My
house.
girlfriend was in the house. We heard thudding on our windows. We come back outside, and she's outside our windows messing with the bike and stuff. And we come outside to look around, and she starts cussing us out. We got footage of her getting up in her face, and she ends up smacking her in the side of the head with her phone. And then she came over here to get her. At the same time, she said she was gonna come get her too. She tried to rush around her. She fell into the truck and then onto the floor. She said we assaulted her. She's telling her kids we assaulted her, that we smacked her in the face.
I've got it recorded that.
Yeah, some random guy was walking up the sidewalk and said that,
Everybody's been in their
he
house.
felt her forehead and he did feel a knot. He asked me if I had a problem with the bike. I don't know who he was. I said
Yeah,
no at this point.
it was the sheriff's son.
Hutchison?
Yeah, it's his son. He's walking down the street. I don't know why he's over here, drunk,
She flagged him
drinking,
down and. You see
saying
what
that,
happened to
I'll
me?
be your witness. He wasn't even here when any of it happened.
I have videos of.
I was in the
He's
house.
getting called the N-word. She's mother my kid, and then she's saying that I
She won't
heard her
stay
when
in.
she fell down drunk, and she's gonna press charges and you're going to jail. I've got it recorded.
Okay.
So you're talking shit about black people? You're being racist. How can you say that?
Black family, I have black family. I ain't racist. By all means, don't even try to play that.
But why are you calling him the N-word, and why?
You can take it up and shove it up your ass and off.
Okay.
There's more recent ones on the video.
Okay.
Is the assault on here?
I haven't watched it to see. I
Whatever.
was going back in my house when she came at me, and I had just turned my phone off. I don't know what all got everything.
Hey, Natasha, can you come out here?
Look. No, I just want you guys to look.
Look at what?
I haven't been outside since you've been back, since you left.
Okay. That's a lie because she's got a camera running and it shows you on it.
What was I doing though?
It just
On July 9, 2022, officers responded to an apartment complex disturbance that escalated from a landlord-tenant dispute into a violent arrest. The legal issues raised in this 20-minute encounter provide a masterclass in Fourth Amendment arrest authority and use of force analysis. The threshold question is arrest authority. A property manager reported that tenant Natasha pushed her from behind during an argument over rent. Simple assault is a misdemeanor in most jurisdictions. The critical issue: can officers make a warrantless arrest for a misdemeanor not committed in their presence? State laws vary dramatically. Some permit arrest for any offense. Others require breach of peace or flight risk. Here, the assault occurred before police arrival. Officers relied on the victim's report to establish probable cause. In Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, the Supreme Court held that warrantless arrests for minor offenses do not violate the Fourth Amendment. However, Atwater addressed offenses committed in the officer's presence. Third-party reports present statutory, not constitutional questions. Officers possessed probable cause, but arrest was not mandatory. Modern policing emphasizes alternatives, citations, summonses, civil remedies. The decision to arrest rather than cite becomes critical when analyzing subsequent use of force. If arrest was unnecessary, was the force that followed justified? Graham v. Connor established the controlling standard. Use of force must be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective at the moment of application. 3 factors: severity of crime, immediate threat posed, and whether the subject is actively resisting arrest or attempting to evade arrest by flight. Factor 1, simple assault is minor. This weighs against force. Factor 2, initially no threat, but kicking during arrest creates officer safety concerns. Factor 3, clear active resistance. Subject refused 25 commands to go inside, then physically resisted arrest. The force used was empty hand control, grasping arms, physical escorts, controlled descent of stairs, no strikes, weapons, or pain compliance techniques. Under the use of force continuum, empty hand control is appropriate for active resistance. The force level was legally defensible. However, Graham requires more than legal defensibility. It requires objective reasonableness considering all circumstances, including tactical
It
alternatives.
just shows you knocking on the door and then it says, your kids say, hurry up.
Whose door? What window?
Window. Down here.
No.
Okay.
I haven't been.
Listen.
I literally went inside when you guys asked me to go inside. This is my kid's dad because he said he's not about to let you guys. Like I've been inside with my kids.
Okay, well it's on camera, so
No. Thank
Yeah.
you're going to jail.
What? What? Hold on. What?
Listen, Natasha, the last thing I
What?
want to do is this in front of your kids, so come
Hold
out
on.
here.
I'm not going to jail. No, I'm not. Hold on. I gotta talk. I
This
did
is now
nothing
over.
wrong, but let my
This
kids.
is now over.
Hi,
Okay,
this
give me
is
one.
Officer Henderson.
I didn't do anything. That might
Are
have
you
been
able to
my
come watch
kids.
the
I
kids?
swear I didn't do anything wrong.
This is Officer Henderson.
Please don't do this in front of my kids. I did nothing wrong. I've left everybody alone. I smoked in my window when you told me to smoke in my window.
Well, like I said.
This is not okay. I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong though. What did I do? What did I want to know what I did.
Chill.
This is really happening in front of my kids.
Yep, that's why I asked you to step outside.
I didn't do anything. I stayed inside like you guys asked me to.
Stop screaming.
What? Well, let me see the video. I want to see the video.
Can he take both kids?
Yes, but I want to see the video.
I'll see you next quarter.
Listen what you're doing to my kids.
The more you move, the more these are going to...
But listen to what you're doing to my kids. I didn't do anything though. But I didn't do anything. I promise I
fighting.
didn't do anything.
you're under arrest.
But I didn't do anything. I did what you guys asked me to do. I stayed inside. I haven't been outside.
Hands behind your back.
No, I'm not going to jail over this. You're not taking my
Don't
kids.
do this in front of your kids.
Get out of my house right now, and then we'll deal with it tomorrow. No, I'm not going to jail. I'm not leaving this
You're gonna do
apartment
this in
without
front
my
of your
kids. No, you're
Stand
not
up.
doing this in
Listen,
front
that's
of
the
my
last
kids.
thing I want to do.
See what you're doing to my kids, and I didn't even do anything. I promise on everything. I did nothing.
Okay, that's fine.
I didn't do anything. You're not doing this in front of my kids. You're not taking me to jail. Stand it up.
Chill.
Get off me.
Chill.
Get off.
I don't
Get
want
off
him
me in
with the
front of
cops.
my kids.
Stop.
No. Get off me. Get off
Stop.
me.
Stop
Get off
resisting.
me. No.
Stop resisting.
Wait, they're resisting your right. Get off me in front of my kids. I did nothing wrong. Get off me.
Stop
You're
resisting.
hurting me. I have a hematoma in my stomach. Get the off me
Chill.
now. No. Let go of me. No. Let go of me. You better let go of me. This isn't going to be pretty. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. No. You're not
Don't reach for my stuff.
No.
Do not
I'm
reach for
not
my
reaching
stuff.
for anything. Get the off me. Get the off me. No. Don't do this in front of my kids.
Then stand up.
Then let me go in front of my kids.
You act like a normal
And
human being.
No, I did
I will
nothing
stand you
wrong.
up.
These people are crazy.
Okay.
I did nothing. No. I'm not leaving this house. I'm not leaving this house.
Okay.
Get the away from me.
Quit kicking.
Get off me! Get off me! I'm not leaving this house without my kids.
Listen,
I'm not leaving.
I don't want kicked. I don't
You
want him
should
to hit.
never be doing this when I did nothing wrong! Get off me!
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Get off me! Gary Nelson, come here right now!
Listen,
Come here!
I'm not on you.
No, don't touch my kids! Come here right now, baby! No, they are not gonna listen! Come here, Gary Nelson, come here!
No, Mommy hadn't been outside, I promise.
I have not been outside!
I did not.
I did what you asked me to do! I smoked my cigarettes out the window! It's open! I promise I did nothing to them! They want me arrested! They want me away from my kids! Gabby Nelson, come here right now! You guys tell the
Let
truth
go.
right now.
Let go.
Tell the truth right now. Tell the truth
Ma'am, I
right now.
need you to
Come
let
here,
go.
baby. Come here, baby. You don't. Come here.
Let go of the handcuffs.
Come here. Don't let go of Mama.
Listen, guys.
You guys are
We
coming
need you
down.
to go to the neighbor's house, okay?
No, you're not. My kids
You're
are
not in
going-
any trouble?
Come
We
here.
just need you to go to the neighbor's
Come here.
house.
You
Stop.
don't leave Mama.
You can give her a hug and
You don't.
kiss.
No, you don't leave Mama. Hold on to Mama. Don't let me go.
You're really going to put your kids through
Don't
this?
let me go, because they
You're gonna
are
hurt
just trying to
them.
take me away from my kids. Hold on to my neck. Don't let me go.
Okay.
Don't touch my kids! Don't touch on my kids or I'll press charges on you.
Okay, that's
Don't touch my kids. You don't let mommy go. You don't want
Don't take mommy to
Guys,
jail.
listen,
I don't want you
listen,
to.
listen. Mommy's gonna be okay.
No.
Mommy's gonna be just fine.
Mommy won't.
But we need you to go.
Look at Mama.
We just need you to go
Look
over
at
to the
Mama.
neighbors.
I won't. You let me hold you. Get the off me now. You're fine. I won't let you go. My kids will stick up for me. I've done nothing wrong. I did what you... Point your camera toward the window.
You have the right to remain silent.
Point your
Anything you say
camera
can
to
go
the
use against you in
window.
court of law. You have the right
Point
to
your
talk to a
camera to
lawyer
the
and have him
window.
with you
I
while
did
you're
what you
being
guys
questioned.
asked me.
If you cannot
You
afford a
motherfucking
lawyer,
bone-ass motherfucker.
one would be
Shut the
appointed to
fuck up.
present you. Do you understand
No,
your
I
rights?
don't understand anything you're saying because I'm mentally
Well, I read 'em to
disabled.
you.
I don't know. What are you saying, huh? Please point the camera to that window.
All right, ma'am, can you let go of the kids now?
No, I'm not.
Ma'am, you're not going to be dictating what's going to happen right
Guess
now.
what? I am asking you
You're
to
gonna let
point-
go of the kids right
no,
now.
I'm not! I'm asking you to...
And you're
what
going
you
to be
want
going
do.
to jail with these officers.
No,
That is a
you're
no.
not removing my kids from me. No, you're not. No, you're not. Don't touch my kids! Okay. Yeah, you're hurting my kids. You're hurting my kids. Let go of my kids! Let go of my kids right now!
That is enough.
Let go.
Let go of the children.
Don't shoot me.
You are endangering them right now. Let go of the children.
My kid! Let go! Let go of my kid right now! Let go of my kid! Let go of my kid! No! Let go of my kid! You're not taking me! You let go of my fucking kid right now! Gabby Dawson, come here! Come here!
Stop.
Nope. You ain't getting me out of this house. You need to leave my house right now.
ready?
I will. No. Get the off me. Get the off me.
We're one.
Nope. Get the off me. Gabby Nelson, come here. I'm pressing charges on all of you. I'm pressing charges on you.
Do not kick me.
I didn't kick you.
You just did.
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. This is
What do you
they-
mean you didn't mean to?
I didn't mean
You
to
lift your
kick-
leg and kick me in the head.
I
On
want
the
my
ovary.
kids!
Chill.
Get the f off me!
Chill.
Get the f off me! No, ain't nobody taking my kid. Gabby Nelson, come on! Get the f off me! No, you're not getting me out of this house. I swear to God. Nope. Get off me! Get off me! Get off me!
Stop.
I'll take a f***ing resistance
Stop
arrest
resisting.
for my kids.
Stop.
Get off of me! Gabby Dawson, come on! I'm pressing charges against. I'm pressing charges against you guys for hurting my kids. Take me to the hospital.
Chill.
Take me to the hospital right now.
Chill.
You better take me to the
Just
hospital.
chill.
The struggle occurred on a stairwell for over 2 minutes. Stairs exponentially increase injury risk to all parties. Tactical doctrine favors containment and calling additional resources over fighting in hazardous environments. This was a tactical failure, even if legally justified. The subject's resistance was motivated by concern for her 2 children alone in her apartment. She stated repeatedly, "Not going anywhere until kids are picked up." Officers have a statutory duty to ensure child welfare during parental arrest. But they never clearly communicated how the children would be handled. A simple statement, "We will wait for you to arrange custody before transport," might have eliminated resistance entirely. Communication failure drove escalation. Terry v. Ohio permits investigative stops based on reasonable suspicion. Officers had more than suspicion. They had probable cause based on victim report. The initial detention was unquestionably lawful. The question is not whether they could arrest, but whether they should have arrested. Miranda warnings were not required here. Miranda applies to custodial interrogation. Officers did not question the subject after arrest for investigative purposes. Her statements during the struggle, including admissions of intoxication and kicking officers, were spontaneous utterances not prompted by interrogation. These statements are admissible. The Fifth Amendment protects against compelled self-incrimination, not voluntary statements. The subject faces multiple charges: simple assault for the initial push, disorderly conduct for refusing lawful commands, resisting arrest, and assault on a peace officer. Resisting arrest requires the underlying arrest to be lawful. If the warrantless arrest violated state statute, the resisting charge fails. Assault on a peace officer, typically a felony, requires proof the subject knew the victim was an officer and intentionally used force against them. Kicking during a struggle while being restrained presents intent questions. Was it defensive reaction or intentional assault? Juries decide. The property manager ultimately declined to provide a written statement. This significantly weakens prosecution of the underlying assault charge. Without victim cooperation, prosecutors face difficult decisions. Bodycam provides evidence, but victim testimony is typically essential for misdemeanor assault convictions. Likely outcome: resisting charge plea to lesser offense, original assault dismissed, assault on officer maintained if injury documented, or reduced if no injury.
Don't you touch me after you hurt my child. Get off me! I don't want him on me! I want you! I only want to deal with you.
Well, you just kicked me in the head, so
I
you don't
didn't
want to
mean
deal
to.
with
I
me.
promise I didn't mean
assault on an
to.
officer already.
I didn't mean to.
It doesn't matter what you mean to.
You piece of shit ball.
It's nice to
You're
hear
not
from
taking me. Stop it! I did nothing but do what you guys asked me to do! You said smoke my cigarettes out the window. And look, my window. Get off me right now. No! No, get off me! Ow, you're hurting me!
You're hurting yourself.
Yep, you're unprecedented. Ow, stop, okay, stop! Stop it! Stop it! Let go of me! You guys already caused enough pain in my life. Get off! Get off me!
He's behind it.
I'm not going to jail. You guys are
Going to jail.
you piece of shit old man.
Thank you.
Get off me! You're gonna hurt me! Get me!
Rather
I'm not
keep her
leaving
right
here till
arm
my
in
kids are
I
picked
got
up.
her
move her
left.
left.
Nope, I'm not leaving here till my kids are picked up. I'm not leaving here. You guys are
Go
having some
ahead.
mother problems. Get the out! You fucking piece of shit old man!
Thank you.
No.
She slipped him the first time, so.
Come here. Yeah, f you guys. Get the f off me! Get the f off me! I'll take it. Get the f off.
We're not sticking our fingers in your mouth.
I just want you to move my...
Alright. Hey, Natasha,
Please just remove my hair from my bed.
we're gonna get up and make our way down to the car right now.
No, I'm not going nowhere until my kids are picked up.
No, we're gonna go down to the car right now.
I'm not going nowhere
We're
until
gonna do
my
this again?
kids...
What's up?
Get off me! I'm not going nowhere until my kids are
Stop
picked up. Are
kicking.
you
Don't kick
serious?
the officer.
Stop.
You kick him, there'll be another choice.
Chill.
Get off me.
That's it. Kick me again. It's good.
Get off me. Where am I? I need to wait until my kids are picked up. No. Get off me! I want
Stop
my...
resisting.
Hey, I want my
Stop
kids
resisting.
first.
If one of us gets hurt in this, it'll be a felony. Do you understand that?
I want to make sure my kids are okay.
Your kids will be fine.
First. Ah!
That is enough.
Ow, my shoulder! My shoulder! Ow!
Hold on. Stand up.
You're abusing me.
We're not doing
Ow.
nothing. No.
My shoulder, though!
You just stand up.
A brick wall.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. You're hurting me.
Stand up.
If you would stop for a second. Oh, let me go by myself.
We've given you plenty of
You're
seconds.
a piece of shit officers for
Thank
real.
you.
Oh,
Okay, come on up. This is about childish. Would you stop it?
nope, not till my kids are picked up. And I know who they're being picked up by.
All right, now we're
Nope.
carrying her all the way. She doesn't hurt that bad.
Officer abuse.
Let's go step by step, Sarge. You're good.
Ow, stop it! Stop it! This is not okay. I did nothing but smoke a cigarette out the window like you asked me to.
You kicked one of our
You
officers
guys are
already.
And I didn't mean to. Ow! Stop dragging me down the steps like
No,
this!
because you won't walk.
No, I asked you if I could walk! Ow! 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 You guys are f***ing me up. Stop
Stand
it.
up.
My kids need to be picked up first!
Kids will be picked.
You pieces of shit.
We'll take care of them.
Get off me!
Somebody knows that.
Get off me! Stop it! Get off me! Get off me!
You gotta kick us. That's it.
Get off me! I don't want to know what's going on.
Woohoo. Kidding me? All right, get her to jail.
No!
We're going with the dad.
No! There's two different dads, you asshole!
Okay, the one from Millersburg?
No.
You
no.
said it was the one from Millersburg.
No. Oh, you want an assault charge?
You have a choice. I can pull this taser out and make you get out, or are you going to get out?
Oh, I'm so scared of your taser.
Thank you.
Oh,
I appreciate it.
You'll die sooner or later.
I'm sure I'm looking forward to that, yes.
Yeah, I hope so. Because you're all... Put my shirt down now!
You walk.
No, put my shirt down! Put my fucking shirt down!
My fault.
This is sexual assault. Put my shirt down right now. Put my shirt down before I walk in there. Put my shirt down. It's respectful.
Because your belly's
Please
hanging out?
put my shirt down. Please! Are you a woman?
I am.
Thank you. Please
There
put
you
my
go.
shirt down. You might want this. Please put my shirt down. Where are my kids, please?
We'll figure that out in a minute.
No, I
Let's start
mean,
here.
please, where are my kids?
We'll figure that out in a minute.
All because I respect it. I want to see everyone. Let go of me right now. Please,
let go of you.
I'm in your position
Jail,
now.
the jail has all your
Let go of me,
knowledge.
old man. Let go of me. Get your bald ass nasty hands off me. I want the woman.
I'm right here.
Please
I'm
let
right here.
them
I'm
tell
right
them
here.
let go of me.
Listen, okay, stop.
But please don't let
Okay, you're not gonna yell at me though.
I'm
You gotta
not.
take a
Please
breather.
let-
Let's
don't
talk.
touch me.
Let's talk.
I
Okay,
just
they're
want
not touching you
you.
anymore. It's just me.
You.
Hey,
Hey.
you're just talking.
you.
You're
I
just talking to me now.
respected you.
Hey, you're just talking.
We've got
to me.
resisting
Okay,
arrest,
turn
we've got
around.
assault on a police
Do me a
officer,
favor, take a breather.
and whatever else you got.
Officer Arnold, please.
Civil litigation under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 is possible. Plaintiff must prove constitutional violation and overcome qualified immunity. Qualified immunity shields officers unless they violated clearly established law. Graham analysis here is close. Video evidence cuts both ways. Officers. Grade C+, legally justified but tactically flawed. Probable cause existed. Force level was appropriate. But arrest discretion is questionable. 15 minutes of verbal de-escalation showed patience, but fighting on stairs showed poor tactical judgment. Child welfare communication was inadequate. One officer's sarcastic response to the subject's threat, "I'm looking forward to that," was unprofessional and indefensible under any standard. Subject Natasha, grade D-, initiated physical contact with property manager, transforming civil dispute into criminal matter. Admitted intoxication while caring for children, refused 25 lawful commands, violently resisted arrest, creating the very force she complained about. Her concern for her children was legitimate, but her method was catastrophic. Fighting officers does not protect children. It guarantees worse outcomes. Property manager, grade B. Appropriate use of law enforcement for assault report. Good evidence preservation, but rent increase during maintenance failures created the underlying grievance. Her decision not to complete a written statement showed judgment and proportionality. The situation had escalated beyond the original dispute. Key lessons: officers must articulate child custody plans before arresting parents. Tactical patience beats urgency when no imminent danger exists. Citations and summonses achieve accountability without physical custody for minor offenses. Environmental hazards like stairs demand alternative tactics. For citizens, physical resistance guarantees escalation and additional charges. Compliance now, challenge later through legal process is always the correct choice. Civil disputes should never become criminal. Assault transforms disagreement into prosecution. Keep conflicts in civil court where they belong. The law grants officers arrest authority, but authority is not the same as wisdom. Discretion is the art of policing. This case illustrates the gap between what officers can legally do and what they should do to achieve the best outcome for all parties. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. Subscribe for more legal analysis of police interactions. Thank you for watching.